I'm Andreas Himmler. I'm from dSpace, Senior Product Manager for DART systems, so for the dSpace Automotive Radar Test Systems. We are here at the dSpace booth, and what we showcase here in this specific example is an end-of-line test system that makes use of compact antenna range setup. It is used for end-of-line testing of radar sensors at the radar manufacturer's production. So final testing before the radars leave the factory and to calibrate the radars before they leave the factory. This compact antenna test range setup that we have here enables to have a far field condition for the radar under test within a very short and within a very compact setup. Usually the very modern radars require far field conditions that require distances of 7 meters and beyond, and this really requires some space in factories, and this is why customers look for alternatives for this. And the alternative is to make use of compact antenna range technology that we have incorporated here. We have done this together with our partner for end-of-line test systems for radar units. The partner is Noffz Technologies. They are also from Germany, like we are. Noffz builds the radar test chamber. They do the environment to run the test scripts in the chamber. They do the automation of the robot and the handling of the device under test. And dSpace incorporates the target simulators. This is the dSpace technology, and we also came with our radio frequency know-how to do the overall setup and to develop a very easy and cost-efficient way to align the mirror, the device under test, and the radar target simulator within this test setup. So we can have a look at how this principle works, this end-of-line, this compact antenna test range setup. What we see here is a mimic of this. So we have the radar under test, we have the mirror in the chamber, and we have, well, this is for visualization purposes, the targets that are simulated for the device under test and to calibrate it. So as it is shown here, this setup incorporates far field conditions for the radar under test, and we will see in a minute a visualization that shows how this chamber is built up internally. So this is the chamber that we have here, and when we have a look inside, we see the robot. We have the feed horn for the target simulator here. The radar under test is positioned here, and up in the ceiling is the mirror that does let's call it the connection between the feed horn and the radar under test. This is a vertical setup that we have here at the booth. We have also a horizontal setup, so the customers select whether they want to have this setup horizontally aligned or vertically aligned. We have the first systems out, delivered to customers. The next orders are currently in production at Noffz. So we are very happy with the progress that we made with this system. Thank you.